Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. And actually, guys, I thank God for this fight. Thank God for the gift of life. Man, I feel so dizzy and I need to take water. This is water, guys. Look, it's water, man. I'm taking water. Wait, I recharge. So, guys, I'm calling my brother to take the jug. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Guys, that being said, yesterday I was feeling so dizzy. Actually, night time and right, left, center. Man, I'm outside. So I left my house right now and I'm heading outside to see what's going on. This is my motorbike over here. Oh, the chickens and put some fishes here. You have some crazy chicken here. Oh, I'm outside and today a very, very special day to me. I thank God for the gift of life, man. So we head this way and let's see what is going on. Welcome, African Kenya, the Bansi village to the world. So today, this video, I'm trying to shoot around my home here and then I migrate to Villa Mendelin, guys. So we have some beautiful flowers and actually it's pink one over here. Hey, and in case for those who are missing my video for yesterday, I want to show a little bit before I move. You know, me, I'm just move like I'm a struggle man. I just move out like crazy, boom. But like, ooh, I'm going to wear the trouser because right now it's cold over here. And man, these are the stones. And maybe for the second trip, when the guy brought me some stones here, I need those big stones because these are medium. I can't complain on that. It's medium, but you know, we need big stones for the ground, you know. But yesterday I didn't go to see the stone which have been packed. I was waiting and then I make a call. The guy said I'll come with the stones, but when I go alone, I was telling him put big stones. But right around the next trip, I'll tell him bring big stones for the foundation. And actually these are medium and it's a good stones. We can't complain. So just outside. So man, this so we have here stones. We have sands here, and I can add more as I can. Oh, let me check the time, man. You know, me, I'm going with time. I'm running with time, so no time wasted here. Let me check my local time, guys. Oh, maybe my phone goes down. Oh my God. Yes, I need to check. Just a minute, guys. I'll show you. It's 8:38 a.m. here. That's my local time. And man, no time to sleep. So I was showing you these sandstones and I need 5 of them, and one stone goes to 60 USD, the same to sand, 60 USD. But the difference between stones and balance stones goes to $150. That's around 14,000 Kenyan money. But this one is 7,000 Kenyan money, 7,000, you know, like. But when I have some money, I could buy some material like crazy. But slowly by itself, I'm trying to purchase some materials here. Maybe next year, I will start building maybe the end of May next year when everything shall be on the ground. Let's move on. Today it's a beautiful morning. You can see this is the views of my village over here, and look, the calf is scratching the head on the trees. It's so crazy. What's up? Yeah, and man, this is how my build of my village looks like. Woo. And I hope wherever you are, guys, you are doing amazing. And may God bless you for those who are watching my videos until the end. Man, this is how my build of my grandma house looks like. And when I came here, I want to show you something amazing concerned to my project. So I was telling you, on other part I will paint, and other part I will put rough cast or paint. I didn't see on the comment section the rough cast. When I'm saying rough cast, you see guys, this is the rough cast. This is the cement, the mix of cement and sand, you know, no more paint. So you do like this way. This is the rough cast that I was talking about on my project. So I want to take this concept from here, you know, I want to take this concept from here to my project. So let me head this way. And actually guys, I take this concept from here to my project. Now. So I've already remember, and I want to show you where I'm going to plaster the rough cast, you know. So maybe when I'm saying rough cast, other people doesn't know what about a rough cast. But for now, when I'm going to my grandma house, and I see, and this one here guys, it's not a rough cast, you know. This is a clay soil. You dig on the ground. Look, it's a clay soil. You can see. You dig on the ground, and then you add with the cow dung. You smear on the house. So I want to show you where we're going to put maybe painting, to apply painting or rough cast, which I was showing you on my grandma. And actually you can mix some colors on the cement, and then boom. So we're talking about this place. Am I going to add the concept of painting or rough cast? So I need to know in the comment section this part here, this part. But the mason doesn't make this place to be good here. When it will come, I'll tell him repair this part here. So here we'll paint, and I will take this concept from here. I will apply on this wall here on the other side. So before I move, I need to check my properties and say, oh, this is my grandma land. It's a small land, and it's a good one. So I think by this week I'll come to work on this project here, because right now technically I'm thinking to my mama dream house, how can I get some materials and all stuff. So I want to move on this project, but I don't want to show you every day this project. And it's a good to pay a visit on my project here, you know. So like oh, so let's go. And when I finish plastering here, I'll make some cleanness here. I'll splash everything. I squeeze this sand to other side, because I need some enough space here. Maybe people can pass. So man, I can't wait to see my family using the modern toilet, guys. Oh, I have the crazy handle here. So I'm just over here, and I'm working right left center to make sure that my family it's living on a good place. Hey, wow. So I'm going this way to take the motorbike and to hit the road. You know, it's a distance from here to Ayamaras Villa Menjelin 2024. It's a distance. So that's the reason why I'm using the motorbike. Hey, you see guys, the smoke. This is our smoke kitchen, guys. Woo. Look how my mom prepares some milk tea. And this is the tea leaves which have been crushed. This is some fire over here. And the crazy thing about this is the fire, and the hen are laying eggs here. Look. That's the hen, guys. And it's because they need more heat. You know, like it's an incubator. It's like a simple way, traditional incubator. So the hen lay the eggs for its own natural, and then there's those heat from the fire. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I'm heading to Villa Mendelin. No guys, before I head, I remember my sister. She was playing here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my sister, and right now she was okay. Guys, do you remember the time when my sister she was totally sick, and she was moodless? When I'm saying my sister say hello, she can't say hello. But right now, she was playing here. Hey, face camera. Hey. Smiling machine. Alright guys, stay tuned, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, they have some sugar here. Hey. That's my biological mom, and I don't know her. I've already shown you, and several of the time when I'm around here, I wanna say, mom, say hello to my people. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Wow, I'm living right now home here. You can see how my background looks like. It's very beautiful, very nice. That's my house. That's my brother's house, my mom's house. But in the future, we boom out this. Wow. Good morning, guys. I'm coming from Border Town, and I'm heading to Amara place. So I delivered 4 boxes of the tiles for the fish pond, and actually I left him at Border Town. So I'm heading this way, guys. I'm on the way coming from Border Town. So guys, stay tuned. As I reach to the villa, you shall see. So actually the tiles for fish pond. Hey, let's go. Alright guys, I reached home, but this road here, guys, hey, you must sweat. Man, I'm sweating even the eyes, and because of tiles, it's not jokes. So just over here, and let me go this way, and I want to show you what's for the purpose of the tiles. But I thank God, man, I reach safe, because tiles, like for example, you got some eggs, 1 tray of eggs, man. Hey, it was my first time, but I have those experience to drive a motorbike, and I know. So let's show you. There is some tarazo here. Let's go and show you the fish pond, which I've been fixing some tiles, guys. Woo! God is good all the time. This is the fish pond, guys, and I think 70% we done, and remain with some few. Sasa ni kubomoa.
Yes, we want to make a repair.
Okay, this is ilikuwa mbaya.
Yes, you are a bit a mason. You need to know to construct and to break. So now I'm here to make you repair, to make sure I put good tiles.
Tiles ni zile jamaa zimachi. Kagua.
Oh, zina match.
Yes, you must check the tiles. We didn't found in Border Town. We found only the guy have.
Yes. It's a good color.
Can match.
Yes, can match. You see, look
yes, this one, guys, and this one can match. Okay.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Mo Ibratides, the one who are constructing at this fish pond. So I'm back again to make sure today I see as a dedication day. of finishing this fish pond.
Okay, remember this part?
Yes, for this part, another part is
Yes, and then to repair only this one.
Yes.
Hey, you done amazing job.
Yes, thank you, my brother. So, guys, welcome to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Go supporting my brother to load on 20,000 subscribe.
Okay.
You can do it amazing things for my brother. And may I have the YouTube channel, go supporting more Ibra Tailis. Yes, help me to load on 2,000 subscribe.
Okay, bruh.
Okay, thank you, my
Yes, I really love your work. So guys, you see the tiles just over here which have been transported. This one here, 4 boxes, but you must be very careful. Must be very careful, you know. So transporting and you know, like in African Kenya here, you have some crazy road. So you try to ride, you pause, ride, you pause, and this cement here. Woo. So today's work, maybe they wanna fix here some tiles and finish up. Look guys, the fish pond have already taken the shape, and even there's some waters, you see. Hey, hello guys. These are water. This is how we harvest some water, and man, so more videos are coming. Keep it locked, and I wanna enjoy today's vlog. I'm just here to Villa Mangelini 2024, and today's work we're going on the rooftop. We clean the terrazzo. So let me go and show you where today you wanna do some work. Kino, andika kideo wakati huo. Haya. Kitakuja kikulemea jioni. Oh guys. So I'm telling Kino, brother to Mayuguno, to make some videos while working, you know. So let me show you the work for today. And actually we're done, I and my brother, Mr. Gake, your favorite dedicated. Wow. So let me go and check on the rooftop, because they were making some work on the rooftop, and I see some parts for the, we call it terrazzo. Oh man, this door remind me during the party, man. So let me go and show you the work for today. Whew. Today guys, it's an amazing day. It's a quite chilling day, you can see from the far end. And oh, there's some fish here. Look at this. Look. Hey. Let me show you the work for today that we're going to down on terrazzo, guys. Oh guys, so I'm heading on the rooftop, and actually I want to show you the work which we're going to done with Mr. Gake. You know, here we are at teamwork, guys, you know. So take the views, and actually we are going to make thorough cleaning here. And at least, man, when on the rooftop you feel so comfortable, very comfortable, you know, very comfortable. You see, we're done here, and we clean that part to look like this one here. So that is the work that we're going to do for today. Hey, the helipad is shining, guys. You can see it's shining, and we clean today. Make sure, and we have some brooms over here and all stuff. We clean. So let me wait Mr. Gake to arrive, because he went to Nebohanse to make a shopping, you know. So I'm waiting him as we proceed. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's videos. For me, are very, very special. I can't complain. Man, remember, I'm on the process of purchasing material for my dream of my mama. I want to make my mama to be happy. Yeah. So when on the rooftop, you feel comfortable. You see the views of outside of the compound, others, neighbors you can see. Look, this is the guinea phone. You can see. Wow. I feel like I can chill here. I wanna chill here. I wanna chill here, guys. Like 15 seconds or 15 minutes. I'm okay. That's the Starlink. Ooh, solar heater over there. Eee. So me always positive vibes. I'm just focused my own thing. I don't like on my videos some dramas. So I know for the haters, they don't like what baby I'm doing. But one day, I'm just believe on that. One day, things will change, guys. You know. So today's work, we wanna work here, and actually, let me give you some story. During the party, maybe in the evening, we're just sitting here, relaxing, watching the views, and we have some entertainment. Hey man, entertainment just remind me of here. If you remember, the time was the time when we make some activity here, maybe to entertain, to intermittent, and I'm the one who intermittent my uncle. So guys, I'm perfect to imitate or to imitate animal sounds, people's sounds, and I know. So guys, I wanna leave this place and say thank you so much. Thank you a million for those people watching my videos. Kindly show me some love, and me 100% I'm honest, purely honest. I can't complain, and I see no one who's complaining. 100% I'm kind, I'm honest. So but in this world, I know no man who is perfect. Sometimes you make a mistake, sometimes you be incorrected, and you be in good position. So I see some fish there. When on the rooftop, guys, you see some fish going choo. Like, what? You see? Woo, woo, woo. You see how fish moving? Like, what? Look, on the rooftop, I'm seeing the fish going, what? Up to that way. Hey. Wow, guys. So, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and today I'm shooting these videos on Monday. And I think this week you wanna say goodbye the month of August. Let's see the new month, which is September. And hey man, this year the month is running, guys. Really crazy. I think we start this year January, and right now it's August. I said, oh my God. Oh, my good people, I wish you a good day and enjoy my vlog. Well, guys, coming live from Villa Menjelin, guys. Look. So, guys, we just over here with my friend here, my brother Pablo Jr. Want to light?
I'm the one lighting it up.
Light, guys.
But don't scare camera.
This is local. We do, and I have 3 stones. It's a traditional jeko.
Alright, guys. Hora. Welcome, guys. ¿Cómo estás? I hope that you're doing great.
Namaste.
Namaste, no. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Actually, I'm trying to
light the fire,
light up the fire. When you light up the marks, then you but you can see all the smoke there.
Oh, so mimi na record.
Hiyo usinge kati ya muziki ni kidogo.
Muziki. There is fire here, Pablo. Look. Yes.
Leo tunapika ubwabwa tukiwali. Twala ubwabwa.
Twala ubwabwa. If you are from the coast, twala ubwabwa. Bobo means pilau or rice, whichever the case.
Alright, that is the simplest way to light up the fire.
Do you remember the story of Homo habilis, Homo erectus?
It starts with Iopithecus and then it goes to...
For lighting fire, bro.
Let me tell you, lighting the fire Homo habilis.
Yes.
I remember that.
You are a Homo habilis.
No.
You see? I'm probably hungry.
Stop that joke.
Hey. So guys, I'm going inside to look the firewood and we need to split them. We come inside here. Let's check. I want to see whether there's some firewood inside here. Oh, no firewood here. Yep, so we look the firewood. I want to split the firewood. Pablo, we see any coon help. Yes guys, we try to see the firewood and maybe split much of them. Yeah, I see some firewood over here. And let me check the rabbits inside here. Ah, they give birth. Look, they're chewing. You know, in Bible there is some verse, but I forget it. They said you can't slaughter animals which are chewing. You know, like rabbits. You don't want to slaughter rabbits. Just like a views, a nature for the compound. So I want to split this firewood. And guys, let me know in the comment section. Am I right for those stories? For we doesn't like slaughter rabbit. I want to split the firewood over here. Split them. Yay!
Half the Kitambi doesn't know how to split firewood. I told Hello Baby, go and do some exercise.
No.
Hello Baby was like, no.
No.
Right now, even Hello Baby doesn't know even how to light up the fire. I told Hello Baby.
Guys,
don't cut the video. Don't cut the video. Don't cut the video. I know he's going to cut it.
so you see there is some. Me, I'm just running out of the nails here. Look, Pablo. Let me show you.
I know he's going to.
No. You see these nails.
Okay, you take it and
these
then.
nails.
You see the procedure. Enough for that. I know he's.
Guys, this is the mopper, and we need to clean the tarazo. So let me wear the shoes. You know. Hey. So, as I told you, I want to clean the terrazzo over here. And it's an amazing one. Whew. Today is so hot, man. But we try to clean this terrazzo over here. So look, there's some water here. And let me try it and I see whether we can clean it. Yeah, it's okay. Guys, think the first thing that I will do, it's to clean. It's to sweep and then we mop. So use this brush here, maybe, yeah, it can sweep. So we sweep and then we clean them. So as I wait the guy to hold for me a camera, and I see like this one here, so we sweep from this corner. See? And let me start from other side, from the far end coming this way, guys. So guys, we just over here on the rooftop, and at the far end my brother is fetching water from downtown, from down the ground, from the tank. I mean, let me show you. This is Pablo.
Alright guys, I'm really trying to work up, and I'm really enjoying doing the work because it's some of an exercise. Early in the morning.
From there,
yeah, you know,
there's a black tank.
There's a black tank. These things I do say they're exercise because early in the morning I was weeding our maize. You know, we are the first people to plant. You want to show my nose? Alright, there is the cool guy.
And you must be very careful.
Don't step on my phone. That is my life, because that is my camera, everything.
Yes, fetch water.
You know, you have to balance up first. It seems like it has stuck onto something. Hey, water on again. Let me get me and one second.
Tarta next in that.
I can't remember the song.
Why would I kuja jumu?
Oh, one a pity because
we done here magic, guys. Amara, where's the camera? You try to pour some water from down. Next in the yes. You see, guys. And then you put here, and then after that, guys, I'm collecting this dust and then I chop for other side. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, you see just over here, and hi. You see? So just doing thorough cleaning here as I wait Mr. Gak. Yes, so I came to fetch water here as we clean. I'm trying to use the mopper, this one here, but it's not working perfect. Well guys, so we thank God we finished from the far end coming this way, and that is the final attaches with the Pablo Junior here. So you see what is going down. Look, there's water. Well guys, so let's see. I'm using this one here. Look. Hey. Oh. This is the final, guys, of cleaning terrazzo. And guys, in the comment section, I want to know, what do you think about the purpose of applying terrazzo rather than putting tiles? Why? Guys, why I am gonna choose terrazzo rather than tiles? And I see other side we are being put some tiles. Why not on the rooftop and putting some terrazzo, guys? You want to know in the comment section the importance of terrazzo. Even me in the future will put this terrazzo on my house in the floor. Water passing here, you see? Wow, guys. Guys, so we finished cleaning terrazzo. It's almost lunchtime, and I want to put my shoes outside. So I'm heading outside. I need to end my videos by saying, guys, thank you so much. My God bless you, and let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow. And I'm feel, guys, so dizzy. Oh, but it's okay. Oh, guys, so I feel like I could end my video over here, and this is the fish pond. So guys, thank you so much. Let's meet for the next video, guys, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.